Meanwhile, Europe has now become the epicenter of the global coronavirus pandemic, according to the World Health Organization. This comes as several European nations are recording a surge in the number of cases and fatalities.
Europe has now become the epicenter of the pandemic, with more reported cases and deaths than the rest of the world combined, apart from China.
Now, Italy saw its highest single-day jump in terms of the death toll. According to reports that have come in, at least about 250 deaths have been reported in just the past 24 hours due to the novel coronavirus infections. The country at this point of time has more than 17,660 active cases, with at least 1,266 deaths that have been reported. The country also continues to reel under a lockdown. Meanwhile, the European Commission has promised to provide Italy with whatever assistance that it needs. And this comes after complaints that Brussels has been pretty slow to react to the viral outbreak.
We are absolutely ready to help Italy with whatever is necessary. This is of utmost importance. This country is severely hit by coronavirus. And we all know that they need help right now. So whatever is necessary, we support. Whatever they need, we will answer.
Meanwhile, the country's healthcare system is reeling from the sudden influx of patients. Hospitals in the northern province of Lombardy are running out of space and equipment as the medical staff have not rested in weeks. Lombardy and Veneto are the two provinces which have just about 1,800 intensive care beds between public and private hospitals. Meanwhile, Spain is the second worst affected European nation after Italy. It has reported a 50% jump in the number of fatalities to 120, with the infections having risen to over 4,231. Now, the Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez has announced that the country will be under a state of emergency for the next 15 days.
Mañana. Estas decisiones estarán dadas a movilizar todos los recursos del conjunto del Estado para proteger mejor la salud de todos los ciudadanos. Recursos económicos, recursos sanitarios, tanto públicos como privados, tanto civiles como también militares, para la protección de todos los ciudadanos, en particular de los que resulten más vulnerables frente al virus por su edad o por otros procedimientos previos.
Major Spanish regions have now shut shops, bars and restaurants. Spain's Easter parades were also cancelled in a sharp escalation of its fight against the coronavirus infections. And along with Spain and Italy, the number of coronavirus cases in France has also jumped up by a whopping 800 in a span of just 24 hours. France has got more than 3,661 confirmed cases and about 79 fatalities. France has also become and popular tourist spots such as the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum and the Chateau Versailles have also been shut for the public. And French President Emmanuel Macron has called it the worst health crisis to have hit France in over a century. Meanwhile, to try and cushion the bloc from the economic shock of the outbreak, the European Union will be launching a 37 billion euro investment initiative as a part of the package.
The Commission has also adopted today proposals to provide liquidity into our economy. Response Investment Initiative to grant support to the healthcare sector, to the labour market, to support SMEs from all affected sectors. Furthermore, the EU budget will deploy its existing instruments to support small and medium enterprises with liquidity, complementing thus the measures taken at a national level.